Lots of construction in this city, hey? Lots of construction. And everyone's always like complaining that these construction projects, they take so long, you know? But I just think like they should take forever. Like, have you guys thought about it for a second what they're doing out there? Unsupervised too. No, just kidding. They've got supervisors, I'm sure. But it's crazy. They're always digging down tunnels deep underneath everywhere. Putting subways underneath full-on big buildings. They make, you know, skyscrapers. You know skyscrapers? Not only in Toronto do they have those, they're digging into the molten lava. They don't give them enough credit for that. That's crazy. And everyone says that construction workers are just lazy and they take too many breaks. But if I was a construction worker, I'd be leaning against everything like, oh my fucking God. What is all this shit? I'm not going down there. I'm not going up there. And I don't want to wear the hat. The hat doesn't look good on me like it looks good on you guys. You know, I actually wanted to be an artist. Did you know that? No, nobody ever asks. I'm a painter. Never sold anything. But that's what I like to do. It's a passion, and I don't have time. Up in morning. Bed at night. Between working and the meals, when's a girl gonna when's one to paint, you know? I asked for next weekend. Did you get next weekend off? What the fuck? I booked that. I asked for that months ago. It's my brother's daughter's dance recital or something. Had to be there. Anyway, back to work we go. Doesn't that seem rough?